Welcome back to Retire Well, where today we are diving deeply into the question of what's your financial plan? Are you confident that you have all the right components that make up a solid financial plan for your future and that it's comprehensive and holistic, leaving no stone unturned, right? That's really what you all do at Citizen Advisory Group for folks. I know we already talked about the retirement plan piece of the written financial plan. Let's now talk about the tax plan, because this is something else that really sets you and the team apart.
Yeah, big differentiator for us. And once you have, I mean, it's important to say that the starting point is going to be the retirement or the income plan, right? But once we have that in place, now we can start to check some of the other boxes off and you know, jumping right into kind of tax planning. And what we're talking about here is, I think people, there's a difference between tax prep and tax planning.
Yes.
Right? Tax prep is just you get all these tax forms at the end of the year and you go to your tax preparer or your accountant and you give them this stack of papers and say, here's my taxes. That's tax preparation, but tax planning, we're actually looking forward, right?
Right, because tax prep is what happened the year before.
Correct, right? We're no longer looking in the rearview mirror. And we can all admit this. I mean, everybody, we go file our taxes and we cross our fingers. We're saying, I hope I get money back, or I hope I don't owe, and we don't even know what's going to happen. But tax planning is looking forward, right? We have to look at, what's coming down the road from now until the end of this year? What's our 5-year tax plan? What's our 10-year tax plan? What's our 20 to 25-year tax plan, as crazy as that sounds. But when we're talking about tax planning, we're talking about Roth conversion strategies. How do we start to de-tax our retirement? How do we start to pay less taxes on our Social Security? How do we pay less taxes on our health care premiums, right? And that's what tax planning is about. Tax prep, by the time it happens, it's kind of too late.
Yeah.